Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to convert binary numbers to decimal, and in this tutorial we will be using the number 111010001 to base 2. We are here today to find out what this value equals to decimal with the base 10. And so in this tutorial, when you see binary and decimal, the first thing to do is always to draw a grid that has the powers of 2 and then the decimal value followed by example binary number. And so we can then draw the grid. And we can then start from 2 to the power of 9 all the way down to 2 to the power of 0. If we now work backwards, we will know 2 to the power of 9 equals 512. 2 to the power of 8 equals 264. 2 to the power of 7, 1, 2, 8. And the rest, we can just keep halving. 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. The binary number 1110100. Nope, that's wrong. What we need to realize is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We start from 2 to the power of 7. This is a mistake every computer scientist makes when they are first starting to know decimals and binaries. So we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start here 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 00, 1. And so then we can add up the numbers. 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 0, nope, plus 1, 2 to the power of 3, which is 8, and plus 1, and then add up all the numbers. And that should give us 233. Base 10. If you're not sure how I got to that number, 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 1. With some good calculations, you will see 8, 4, 12, 22, 3. Carry the 2 to the top. 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 on top, 2. And there we have 2, 3, 3. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.